Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup quickly. Chop onions, garlic, and carrots finely, brown them in a wide pot, add stock, quick-cooking protein like shredded rotisserie chicken, and fast-cooking vegetables. Simmer briefly, season to taste, and finish with acid and herbs for brightness. Use an immersion blender for creaminess, adjust thickness with water or cream, and serve with crusty bread. Use broth-based, blended vegetable, or creamy bean bases to make soup fast. For broth-based, sauté aromatics, add stock, quick-cook proteins like shrimp or shredded chicken, and tender greens. Finish with soy or lemon. For blended, roast vegetables briefly, puree with stock, and reheat gently. For creamy bean, mash canned beans into stock for instant body, heat with garlic and herbs, and adjust seasoning before serving. Keep a few pantry staples and tools on hand to speed soup making. Stock canned tomatoes, beans, various stocks, quick grains, frozen vegetables, and concentrated bouillon. These cut prep time. Use a wide pot for faster evaporation, an immersion blender for texture, and pre-cooked proteins for instant heat-through. Taste and balance with acid and salt at the end to make flavors pop. Trim vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.